Hey! You have big eyes, oh boy. Bring some money. Bring money. Let me go up. Bring money. Money for hand.
Landlord, that's one. Well done, sir.
Madam Landlady. Good afternoon.
Posh! I've been awaiting that they call you.
Posh?
Wait till they do with my husband.
Your husband? No! I wasn't doing anything with him. He was just asking me after the NEPA bill, asking me if I paid last year's bill. I said yes. In fact, I paid double. I paid last month, I paid this month. I'm actually going to pay for a year. That's why I was just asking me.
Hey! Enough! I don't see everything. I see him! I want to tell you now, make you stay away from my husband. Boss, you stay away from my... I go check down for you! Don't use my husband play, oh! No use my husband play! I'm not like him, stay away from my husband. I don't know. Stay away from my husband! If I take that for you, you go run naked come out for this compound.
I don't know your husband again.
Make I tell you. First, look me well. From head to toe. I look like Ode for you. No. I look like Ode for your eye. No, ma. Make I tell you, make I warn you. Whichever one you want, take a mass. You see this work where they work? You see this work where they do so? I don't do a finish dropper. I don't do it for years. Dropper, carry husband, marry. No play with my husband. No try am. I go change am for you. Not you be fine there. Not you be fine there. All these small boys wey dey see, they don't do for you. They don't do for you. Stay away from my husband, though. Stay away from my husband. Stay away from my husband. Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. Nonsense. Ma, make I shock you. I should shock you, eh? I do. I do. I'll back out.
Now your papa dead there. You sneak, come enter, B. I don't sneak, come lock am. You go on your landlord. So you want tell me say I no be human being again. I there for this compound. I don't know what they happen to me. You sneak, enter. After you don't shit in the morning. Eh?
I no sneak,
you know that thing where you do, you pray, enter. Or you crawl. Well, I don't lock am, besides I don't lock am. See you tomorrow morning by 6 a.m.
Oh, no, open this thing up.
When you shit finish, stop am. You get it there, no shine. Retire before you know home.
You don't take this place, so open this thing now. No. Let's get this one now. I'm a ship for ground for you. No. I beg, open this thing. I know the shit, though. I said, I go check whether they wash toilet.
Doc, excuse me, sir.
Oh, landlord.
Sir.
How are you?
I'm okay.
I am doctor, please don't be offended. We've not been seeing you around since you packed in. You are always indoors. The only thing we hear is noise. Just like the way you are humming now. You keep humming. I hope all is well.
Yeah, of course all is well.
Oh. I remembered you telling me that you are a doctor.
Yes, I am a doctor, a native doctor.
A native doctor?
Yes.
You also said you are a scientist. How come?
I am a scientist. Let me explain myself very well to you. My great-grandfather was the one that invented EB, 40 kg, 5G network. My grandfather was the one that created what they call elephantitis. Okay? Now, I am trying to create something good. Something that I can give a name like Okrembawishi, or Ukule, or Afule. I want to create something that when you give it to somebody, the person will just off light, like never take light. That makes me a scientist. I hope you understand it. Ikuku ama anonya. Adejidi ikuku aka. Ebulite mmadụ atụọ n'ala, mana ebulite ala ebe ka a ga-atụ ya maka na a dị egwu ala egwu.